What's up, fam? How y'all doing? Well, when you wake up in the morning, or actually when you pull in your driveway the night before, and it's very hard to steer your big old pickup truck, and then you look under it and you see a big pile of fluid, and the steering wheel doesn't move, it's pretty easy to figure out you either got a bad power steering pump or a hose is busted. In my case, it's a hose. So, I don't have a job until 2 o'clock, which is a good thing. I'm going to try to get this hose out, get a new one in, hope to get this beast going again. Well, the compressor cut off at the perfect time. I don't know if you can see the end of the screwdriver, but we got to come out here, and because this is where the leak is, it's right here, right there at the tip of that screwdriver. So I got to get this fitting out right here, and it goes back either to here or to here. So need a couple boxed in wrenches. I think we're in beeswax. All right, so all I got to do now is get the other side off. I really don't want to take this turbo hose off, but I might have to. That's turbo intake, which I really don't want to go that deep into this, but I don't know. Turbo hose out of the way, because it's just going to be a pain when I try to. All right, fam, I'm back. I got the shiny new hose here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get this thing installed. Well, I think we got success. Woo-hoo! All right, so now that I seem to have the hose on okay, I think what we're going to do now, well, I know what we're going to do now is put this thing back together. Well, I think it's a wrap, guys. We got the I got the new belt on. Not the new belt, the new hose. Actually, the hose went on pretty easy. The biggest challenge was getting everything out of the way, really, which, in all honesty, that wasn't even that difficult either. So, got it done, saved about a $300 repair. Now I got to clean all this crap off of my tools. Look how dirty my wrenches are. I can't stand it. I like my wrenches to be nice and shiny and not all full of oil and stuff. But you know what? When you have a blown hose like that, it's gonna make a mess. So hey, just remember, whatever one man can do, another man can do. And when I say man, I mean mankind, not just, you know, guys. First time I've ever done this, but it's in concept, it's simple. Don't let people intimidate you with a bunch of big words and a bunch of talk. There's a hose that goes from a pump down there to a doohickey over here, and that's about as complicated as I can get it for you. So just don't get intimidated. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button. I'd also say go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I got a great series that's about to start on another bike build, and it's going to be called, it's about riding. Of course, you know me, riding there's an acronym with that ride, you know. So tune in for that. Appreciate y'all.